Hey everybody, this is Andre with Garage Door Guidance. Today I just want to do a video on how to change the circuit board on a Liftmaster screw drive garage door opener. And this is just what it looks like here from the back. This is going to be sold as a whole panel with the circuit board attached, and I'll show you what that looks like once I have it off. But for that part, if you do need it, I'll have it linked down in my description, so you can pick that up if you want to go ahead and try this out. Not too difficult, very simple actually. And it could save you some money instead of buying a new one or having a company come out and do this for you. First thing you want to do is definitely unplug your garage door opener so that you don't get shocked. We'll go ahead and do that. So there we go, unplugged. So now I'm not at risk of getting shocked. Next thing we're going to want to do is unplug your sensor wires and wall control wires. Wall control's on the left side, sensors wires on the right. So you just kind of push on these little orange tabs. Pull those right out, just like that. So you have 1, 2, and 3 screws. Third one's just down inside this little hole here. You could either use a screwdriver to remove those, or I like to use this tool here. It's just a little long 1/4" socket. You just unscrew those. From there you can kind of pull this guy. From there, up on the top here, you've got these wires here are one whole set. That's a whole other set here. From there you just pull those out. See that right there? And that's your other set of wires. So we just pulled those out from right here and here. So when you're going to be putting that back on, you just can reconnect it to those same 2 ports. It's a little tricky, but takes some playing around with. You don't want to bend those, so take your time with that. How to reconnect all this, it's very simple. You just plug these 2 wires back in and reconnect all your screws. So once you've got all that put back together, you got to put your wires back in. So you just put those by pushing those little yellow tabs. Again, left side is your wall control, red to red, white to white. And on the right side you've got your sensors, and again, white to white, and then the black to black. You just push the little tab, goes in. Same thing with the other one. You can plug your motor back in now. Once you've got that done, there's 2 little knobs that you want to adjust. I usually put them right about this range here, that 4, because that's setting the force, how hard it pulls and pushes. I always set it at 4 because that's about where you want it. Now from here, also because we changed the circuit board, you're going to want to reprogram all your garage door remotes. And the way you do that is just by pushing that little purple square and pushing your remote, and that's it. So when you do that, you'll hit the button. You hit the purple square, you press your remote, and the light will flash, or you'll hear a click, and that programs the remote, and that's it. As far as all that goes, that's pretty much it in terms of changing out a circuit board on a Liftmaster screw drive. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. That'd be awesome. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for supporting the channel. And aside from that, if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below, or you can reach out via the contact page on our website, and I do my best to help everybody out as much as I can. So if you have any questions, feel free. Otherwise, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.